Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Might be two elements. Yeah. Start with this. Don't need that bit. Around. Two. Ready. Border solid 10 pixels. Start. That gets us that. And then we change this background into a radial gradient. This yellow 15 pixels, then blue. Actually, just make that transparent. Make sure that we use 1Q. Then shift it down 20 pixels. That looks about right. That's the first one. Now, do to make the second one exactly in the same place. So minus 190, about 210. Do a plus P and transpose that. How wide do we think that is? About 60, so let's try doing 80 pixels. Let's try translate. That will help. 70, about 60, 70, 80. Okay, let's try 100 dot on. Perfect. And let's just rotate that by 180 degrees. Also perfect. Then let's box shadow this 200 pixels 0. Yeah, that's not going to work like that. What we want is filter and drop shadow. And then this color. And then if we set this bar O, we should be able to do O minus 200 pixels. Boom. See how close that is? That is 100%. So let's minify and unit replace. And there we go. Now, is there a better way we could have done this? Let's go from the base template. Set this background to blue. Use display flex. Four P's. We don't need that to be body in this case. Width 260 maybe. Let's go 9, 90 and 10. About 80, 70. Where are we off? 2 foot down. So let's try 75. About 72, 73, 74, 74. No, gap's not big enough. It's 20. Gap's now perfect. If we set these with a U, then U can be rotate 180 degrees. Would scale -1 be scale -1 is probably better. And then on these we set the background to be radial gradient. This color 15 pixels, transparent, and 20 pixels down. And we remember to give it a 1Q to make it a circle. And there is the same result. So let's minify that and unit replace it, and it's a shorter solution. See if there's any other bits we can pull out. I think that's probably about as good as we're going to get. That's not a bad score. Can't think of any other ways of doing this nicely. So that's where we're going to leave it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.